Hello and welcome back to the channel. I was lucky enough to get my hands on a Kiravans Door storage unit, second hand from Facebook Marketplace. Very easy to install. First of all, you've got to take away the original panel that is covering the door. In my case, I had a piece of plywood, and underneath that plywood, the original panel was still there. So once you've removed the panel, you then got to remove this cable here. This is part of the door mechanism to the handle, so you need to remove that out of the way so that the storage unit will push back comfortably. Also, you've got a cable here that will have to be unclipped and moved out of the way. Just offer it up before you go any further, just to make sure there's no obstacles in the way and it fits nicely. I had a piece of this sound deadening material sent to me by a company as a sample, and rather than waste it, I decided to cut it into 3 sections and just stick it to the side door. Now to fit the clips, very easy, just push them in and hit them with a hammer. That's basically it. When fitting the clips on the center, just apply a little bit of pressure with your other hand while tapping the clips into place. Now the previous owner, when removing this unit, as you can see, did slightly damage some of the clips. Now they are fairly easy to remove. All you need to do is get 2 flat spaded screwdrivers. So with the screwdrivers, first of all, locate one like I am here at the bottom in the first recess and place your thumb over the top of the clip. This will just stop the clip from distorting as you try and prise that clip out with the screwdriver. With the second screwdriver, apply with your other hand into the other recess and then work the 2 screwdrivers together, gently prising that clip out, keeping your thumb on top just to stop it from distorting that clip face. Once the clip starts to come forward, just see if you can grab it with your fingers. You may need to just prise it out a little bit more just so you can get your fingers around it and give it that little bit more purchase so that you can pull it out. And that's it, simple. Once you've done that, as you can see, the clip hasn't become damaged. And again, to fit, easy, just push it in and clip it with a hammer. I'm not going to go through this video showing you how to fit every single clip. Once you've done one, they're all the same. And there you have it, the Kiravans storage unit.